Chief Meteorologist Mike Nelson is joining us, tracking rain, drought, air quality, everything else in between. Mike.
I want to show you some dramatic pictures that I just got from NASA this afternoon, and these are two of the biggest reservoirs in California. Lake Oroville, this was in June of 2019, and this is the same satellite image taken today, and you can see how much that lake has dropped. This is Shasta Lake in California in June of 2019, and look at it today, how much that giant reservoir has dropped. I'll give you another case. Lake Powell has dropped 30 feet, and you can see that bathtub ring showing up in Lake Powell from August of 2020 to July of 2021. Same story, different shot in Lake Powell. Just a huge difference in that. The wildfire frequency is increasing as temperatures increase in the west. A lot of smoke coming into Colorado over the next couple of days because of those western wildfires. And let's not lose the climate connection. This is not just weather. This is global climate change. The warmest years coming up in the last 20 years or so worldwide. As the world continues to get warmer, we've seen the hottest years on record. All have occurred since 2005, and that is due to the increase in carbon dioxide from the burning of fossil fuels. All of these things are connected to global climate change.